Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Sophia. Today's video is a hairstyling video. I don't think I've done one of these in a while. I'm gonna be reviewing this thermal brush from Sutra Beauty. This is huge. I'm a little bit scared. I haven't used anything like this before ever. Well, I guess that's the whole beauty of it all. We'll figure it out as we go. So let's get into this video. If you're new here or if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video or if you find this review helpful, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow and I would really appreciate it. If that's all done, let's just jump right into this box of goodness, okay? This uses infrared technology. It's supposed to leave your hair smooth, shiny, without any damage that comes from, you know, the usual heat of your regular styling iron, your regular styling tools. It heats up to 450 degrees, safe for all hair types. It's supposed to significantly reduce the time spent on styling, and it says it perfectly conducts uniform heat through each hair strand, leaving all hair types glossy in texture and frizz free. So I can't wait to see it because I feel like I have a lot of frizz going on with this wig, but I can't wait to see it look all, you know, nice and shiny. I don't have any products in this hair. It's just been washed, conditioned, and just glued down. Nothing else has been done. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm really excited again about this brand because I know I have tested one of their products and I know how much I love it. I would use this on my natural hair, but you guys know I cut my hair and there's not much going on there right now, okay? So we're just gonna test it on this, you know, wig or weave, because 90% of the time I'm usually in a wig anyway, so it makes sense to try it out on a wig. So here's the thermal brush on the inside. I love the really gold detailing on there. You guys know I like, you know, a nice presentation. I also love that it's black. You know, this box is pretty sturdy too as well. And then I guess it just comes with the long ass plug, so you got a lot of room because my sockets are a little bit far. It also comes with a warranty and safety card, and I'm guessing it also comes with all the instructions on how to use it. It is plugged on. It does say not to plug it onto an adapter. I have it plugged directly to an outlet, and then to turn it on you want to press the power button and hold for 1 second. Ooh, that is so cool. And then it has a little screen here. It shows you the temperature. Oh Lord, I can't wait to use this. So I guess it's heating up and you can kind of see the temperature increasing. So I guess once you choose the temperature, which I have chosen 420, you gotta give it 3 seconds and it's gonna automatically lock in that temperature, which is so cool. I just feel like I have a magic wand. I've never had anything this fancy. So again, thank you Sutra Beauty. I know I haven't even tried it, but I know I like it already. So let's go ahead and try out the brush. I'm gonna work in little sections because it makes sense to do like so. They actually sent me a hair serum. This is their Rejuvenating hair serum, but it says here in the instructions to either apply a small amount when your hair is damp or style your hair, then apply the serum. It's supposed to provide instant relief to your hair follicles immediately after the heat has been applied. So we're gonna use it right after the styling, okay? Okay, so the first thing I've noticed is that the actual hair bristles, that's what I'm gonna call them, I don't know if that's the right word for it, but these pointy things here, they actually aren't that hot, but you don't, of course, wanna touch the, I guess, this area because it's quite hot. The hand is also very cool to touch. It doesn't feel like anything is going on, but as you move upwards towards this area, you kind of feel the heat a little bit, so you just want to stay within the handle. Pretty much just gonna wrap my hair around it and just brush right through. See what that does. I want the ends to be a little bit curly, so I'm just gonna make sure to roll the ends right through the brush. So that's really it for styling. I have got my whole hair straightened here, and just take a look at how it looks. I'm just gonna quickly put it off. Now to put this off, you just gotta hold the power button for 3 seconds so it unlocks, and then another 3 seconds so it goes off. This hair sheds a lot, so I have a lot of shedding cut in between the bristles, but as you can see, it's so easy to take it out. I really love how straight my hair is. I love how soft it just feels. Smoother, I think smoother is the word. It's just free, it's just easy to run my hands through it. I also like the fact that you can go in with the comb and just, you know, press down this area. You know, it tends to be a little bit high. I like this area to be like flat, especially when it's straightened out. So I'm just gonna go in with some hair tamer. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box. If there's anything you're interested in, just check the description box, it is there. And I know it's switched off, but I'm just gonna run it through just one more time. It still has a little bit of heat left. I'm gonna go in real quick with the hair serum. Take a look at this bottle. Like, everything is just so bougie. I like bougie things. It also help, you know, seal all of the split ends and replenish the hair. They recommend to use this after every heat application. It has the ingredients. It has some things I can't pronounce, which I'm not gonna go into. But it also has jojoba oil. It has vitamin E. It has omega-3 and 9. So those sound good. Since you use a small amount, I'm just gonna get 2 pumps. I'm just gonna work that through my hair. Oh wow, it smells good too. It smells so good. Just make sure to work it towards the ends. I think all you really need is 1 pump. I think I overwent with the serum. It goes right into the hair. Like, my hair just feels even softer, even smoother. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but just a little goes a long way, basically, is all I am saying. You know, I really love this straightener. I really love the way my hair turned out. I think this looks so natural. My hair feels light, it feels airy. I didn't get as much curls as I thought I'd get towards the end. I love that it straightens your hair without taking off the volume. It has just a tiny little bit of frizz left, but overall my hair seems frizz free, especially the places where I actually put a lot of attention to. I also love the shine that it gives. Like, I think I only have 1 con, and it's very tiny, you know, insignificant con. But let's start with the pros. First things first, this thing heats up very nicely, very quickly. I love how it just seems advanced. Maybe to me, because I don't have a lot of fancy hairstyling tools. I just stick with the basics. Most of the styling tools I get are like drugstore, and they don't perform as great. I love that you can see the temperature, you can see where it's at on the screen. If you're trying to straighten out a weave, I would certainly suggest you turn it up to 420, 450. I started at 420, but I had to dial it up to 450 just because I like my things quick. I think I already said it. If I didn't, I love the fact that the bristles aren't as dense. There's not a lot of pressure basically on the hair, so it does a really good job. Now, because of the way this heats up, I found that it was okay to actually just place this on my table as I worked. It didn't do anything. I don't see any heat damage, nothing at all. I don't recommend that. If you have a heat mat, make sure to put it on a heat mat, you know, just to be safe. But all I'm saying is it heats quite well. It heats more internally than externally, if that makes any sense. Yeah, I think the only con here is the fact that I found my hands or my fingers like always tapping on the power button, and the power button seems to change the temperature control. So I'll be at 450, I'll mistakenly hit it, I'll be back at 270 or 320. I found myself constantly having to, you know, put it back to 450. So I just wish they'd move their power button just a little bit more downwards, but that's the only issue that I had. But it wasn't a big deal since it heats up really fast. It takes about a couple seconds to go back up to 450, so it's not really an issue to begin with. Another thing I found out from reading the pamphlet is that it does come with a lifetime warranty, which I think is cool. I didn't pay for this was provided to me, but if I did pay for it and it came with a lifetime warranty, I'd feel safer, you know, purchasing it. In my opinion, this is really easy to use. Even my straightener like doesn't get to the roots. Like, this gets in everywhere. Like, you can comb the front, you can go in, like it really goes in deep, so it does a good job to every single inch of your hair. So that's really it. I think I'm beginning to repeat myself, so that means I have given you guys all the tea. So I absolutely recommend this thermal brush. Like, if you're looking for something new to add to your hairstyling tools, or if you've been struggling a lot with your weaves, laying them down properly, you probably just need a good or better tool, and this really just does the magic. Now that I have this, I'm certainly gonna be using this first before I go in with my coiling iron or go in with my straightener, because just look at how beautiful, natural, light, shiny and smooth my hair is. Like, it's already set up to look good, so you can't really go wrong from here. So thank you, Sutra Beauty, and thank you guys so much for watching this video, because we've come to the end of it. If you like this video or enjoyed the review, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new or if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, join the fam, turn on your notifications so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.